Hi guys, do not post on Instagram until you turn on these settings. I repeat, do not make a post on Instagram until you turn on this setting I'm about to show you. Why? Because if you want your videos to go viral on Instagram, to blow on Instagram, you have to have these settings turned on. Let's dive in. First of all, when you log into your Instagram app, you go to your profile here. You go to your profile, click on the three buttons here. When you click on it, and then you scroll down to where it says data settings. I'm looking for the settings, data usage and media quality. You click on data usage and media quality, click on it, and then you see the options here that says upload at highest quality. Always ensure that it is turned on. When you have this turned on, the videos you post will be uploaded on highest quality. And I already know that Instagram likes when you upload videos on highest quality so that it will attract audience viewers. So it makes your video go viral when you post them. This is what I've tried consistently and has worked for me, and I thought to show you. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.